I got a video of you, honey. Lord Jesus, help us. Trusting in you, Lord Jesus. Trusting in you, Lord. You're going to protect us and keep us safe, Lord Jesus. Praise your holy name, Lord Jesus. Praise your holy name, Jesus. How deep is it, honey? I wonder. Man. Man. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Huh? Huh? It's deep? I know, by the minute. I know it. Man, and it's drier up there. It's drier up there. This is where the ditch was. That trailer's flooded. Man, Lord Jesus.